We are pleased to show you the 2016 INFINITI QX50. The INFINITI QX50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the QX50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The QX50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, stability control, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, heated passenger seat, leather seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.